हेलो दोस्तों, आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल साइंस क्लास में स्वागत है। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स चैप्टर 2 के रिलेटेड से। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिस्कस हाउ क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम हैव अंडरगॉन सेवरल चेंजेस ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। आंसर, biological classifications is a scientific procedure of arranging organisms in a hierarchical series if groups and subgroups on the basis of the similarities and dissimilarities. Scientists have proposed different systems of classification which have undergone several changes from time to time. Question number 2. State two economically important uses of a heterotrophic bacteria. Answer. They include saprotrophic, symbiotic, and parasitic bacteria. They act as natural scavengers as they decompose or dispose of the dead body's organic wastes, release raw materials for reutilization. They also help in nitrogen fixation, manure production, etc. They are used in the production of lactic acid, curd, cheese, butter, vinegar, etc. B. Archaebacteria. Answer, are employed in the production of gobar gas from dung and sewage and in ruminants. They cause fermentation of cellulose. Question number 3. What is the nature of cell wall in diatoms? Answer, the cell walls of diatoms are called frustules. The cell wall is chiefly composed of cellulose impregnated with glass-like silica. It is composed of two overlapping halves that fit together like two parts of a soap box or petri dish. The upper half is called epitheca and the lower half is called hypotheca. Question number 4. Find out what do the terms algal bloom and red tides signify. Answer, the rapid increase in populations of algae and other phytoplanktons, in particular cyanobacteria, in water bodies rich in organic matter is called algal bloom. The density of the organisms may be such that it may prevent light from passing to lower depths in the water body. Algal blooms are caused by an increase in levels of nitrate, a mineral ion essential for algal and bacterial growth. Red tides are caused by a sudden, often toxic proliferation of marine phytoplankton, notably dinoflagellates that color the sea red, brown, or yellowish due to high concentration of the photosynthetic accessory pigments. Question number 5. How are viroids different from viruses? Answer, viroids are the smallest known agent of infectious disease that contain small single-stranded RNA molecule. They lack capsid and have no protein associated with them. Viruses have genetic material surrounded by a protective coat of protein or lipoprotein. The genetic material of viruses are of four types. They infect both plants and animals. Question number 6. Describe briefly the four major groups of protozoa. Answer, they are classified into four groups on the basis of locomotory organelles. Number 1. Amoeboid. They live in fresh water, sea water, or moist soil. They move and capture their prey by developing pseudopodia. Number 2. Flagellated. The members of this group are either free living or parasitic. They have flagella for locomotion. Number 3. Ciliated. These are aquatic actively moving organisms because of the presence of thousands of silica. Number 4. Sporozoans. This includes diverse parasitic organisms that have an infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. Question number 7. Plants are autotrophic. Can you think of some plants that are partially heterotrophs? Answer, some insectivorous plants like Drosera, Nepthanes, and Utricularia are partially heterotrophs. Question number 8. What do the terms phycobient and mycobient signify? Answer, the fungal component of a lichen is called mycobient and the algal component is called phycobient. Both are associated in symbiotic union in which the fungus is predominant and alga is subordinate partner. Question number 9. What are the characteristic features of ichneumonids? Answer, the ichneumonids are the most interesting organisms having a mixture of animal and plant characteristics. They are unicellular flagellates. These protists lack a definite cellulose cell wall. One or two flagella which help these protists in active swimming are present. If two flagella are present, then one is long and other is short. Cell at the anterior end possesses an eccentric mouth or cytosome which leads into a flag-shaped cavity which gullet or cytopharynx. Sexual reproduction is not observed. Question number 10. Give a brief account of viruses with respect to the structure and nature of genetic material. Also name four common viral diseases. Answer, viruses are a group of ultramicroscopic, non-cellular, highly infectious agents that multiply only intracellularly. Number 1. Nucleoid. The nucleic acid present in the virus is called nucleoid and it represents viral chromosome. It is made up of a single molecule of nucleic acid. Number 2, capsid. It is a protein covering around genetic material. Capsid have protein subunits called capsomers. Number 3, envelope. It is the outer loose covering present in certain viruses like animal viruses. Envelope proteins have subunits called peplomers. Number 4, enzyme. Rarely lysosome are found in bacteriophages. Reverse transcriptase enzyme is formed in some RNA viruses like HIV. ये आपके सारे क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स है। देखते रहिए मेरे चैनल को। मिलते हैं मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे।